Guys, we are ready to bake again the cookies. So we have brown sugar, half cup, and the white sugar downstairs. So I mix, guys. And we have salt. Lalagyan natin ng baking powder. So my butter is 200 grams. And we put also this flour, 500 grams. And we're using this mixer for 1 minute. I put 2 eggs. Yeah, we put 2 eggs. So, mix again. Ayan guys, and we already put 500 grams flour and black choco. So, we mix it. And after that, we can put 30 minutes inside the ref. Yeah, we need to put now. Put inside the ref, guys, 30 minutes. Oh, this is our cookies waiting. Just done baking my cookies. Choco with chocolate. Ang dami kong nilagay sa iban, guys, kasi more on, mas gusto ko yung more chocolate.